What's up guys, Moto Moose here, coming to you today from my lovely frozen workshop. As you can see, the bike is still frozen to the ground, hopefully not for much longer. Making a video today to show you guys that I got in my new bar ends for my handlebars. They're a nice set of red and black ones by Bike Master. Bought them from Fortnine, and I cannot say enough good things about Fortnine. They were relatively cheap, they were 20 bucks Canadian. And I ordered them once again on the weekend, and 2 days they're at my door. So great little red and black ones to match my bike. We're going to install them today. Let's take a look. Okay, so here's a closer look at them. Red and black bar ends by Bike Master. If you've got the 05 CBR600RR, you have a 7/8 inch handlebar end. So that's the diameter of a product that you need. And it comes with a handy little Allen key, which is all you really need to, you put them in and you tighten them up. So it's going to be a very easy install video. So this should be a very easy install video. I already have my previous handlebar ends out because last year I lost one on the road. They were those cheap Crater R etched bar ends that were dirt cheap on Amazon. I think they were $13, something like that. But yeah, they always kept coming loose, and I had made a review video about them, how I didn't like them and they weren't sitting in place properly because of the incorrect locking mechanism that didn't match the handlebar. So I ended up losing one, so those are already out. So let's see how easy these ones are to install. We've got our little Allen key. Nice red and black. I mean, it's not the same red as my bike, but that was kind of hard to find, also because it's a custom red. So yeah, okay. So it looks like as you tighten it, it's likely that these are going to spread, and that holds it in place. So, I'll switch sides here. So, because these bar ends are universal to fit any bars from a 7/8 inch to a 1 inch diameter, they come with these spacers on them. So the only way I seem to be able to get it to fit inside my bars is to actually remove all of the spacers, because mine's the smaller size of it. It makes sense. So I remove these 3 spacers and just put the bar end cap and the screw inside, and then it seems to fit. Okay, so here's the issue I'm having. Without the spacers, bolt is too long and it doesn't lock in tight, and the end cap just spins and rattles. With the spacers on, they can't even fit in there because it can't get past this half moon lock here. So I think when they say universal, And I think it's universal for a lot of bikes, but I think they overlooked this Honda locking mechanism here. So I'm going to try and return those, and I'm going to go to the Honda dealer and see what they have for an option for end caps. Alright, so where we are as it stands with the bar ends, they do not fit my bike. Take the big spacer out, still doesn't fit in. Take the small spacer out, still doesn't fit in. The end cap doesn't fit in. The only way to get it to fit is just do the bar end with the screw, and at that point it's very loose and it rattles. So it seems a lot of the universal ones didn't take into account the half moon locking system that the Hondas have inside the handlebars. So Fortnine was really good. They answered all my emails within 5 minutes. We tried to resolve the issue, but because it couldn't be resolved, they were pretty quick and pretty good about sending me a return slip as well. So when I get home, I'm going to pack it back up in the box and send her on back, and we'll go with the ones that the Honda dealer gets me. So I went to the Honda dealership. They ordered me some Yoshimura ones. Those should be in by Friday. So instead of doing bar ends, gonna concentrate on chopping the ice and getting the bike out of the ice. And that's it. Moto Moose out.